Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here sa K-Servico in Pituazon sa May Cubao. At na-launch kanina na merong partnership si K-Servico with Home Credit. Siyempre, Home Credit is one of the financial solution nagbibigay ng mga installment sa mga bagay-bagay like gadgets. But idala naman ko si K-Servico, they do collaborate with Home Credit noon pa by providing installment plans sa kanilang furniture at appliances. But now, since K-Servico has a motorcycle dealership, so they are now offering motorcycle installment through Home Credit na makakapag-installment plan ka for just 1 minute, makakakuha ka na ng motor. Ganong katindi yung promotion. At tapos na yung event kanina. At the end of this video, papakita ko sa inyo yung happenings, yung mga talks kanina from K-Servico, from Home Credit, tsaka sa mga motorcycle brands. So, they are offering Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Kymco, at Yamaha motorcycles na isang valid ID lang is makakagawa ka na ng installment deal with Home Credit. No? At for 1 minute, approve ka na, and then within 30 minutes, makakapag-uwi ka na ng motorcycle mo. Ganong katindi. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga samples ng mga motor dito. At yun nga, valid ID naman kailangan nila is kahit nga doon yung national ID natin. Mas maganda daw kung driver's license. Ayan. So, after that, yung 1 minute approved by Home Credit, paperworks na lang, 30 minutes, kapag uwi ka na ng motor. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga meron dito sa area nila para makita nyo yung mga motorcycle na pwede nyong iuwi na. Here sa K-Servico here is sa Pituazon, Cubao at with Home Credit. Okay, let's do this. So, ito, they have here the K-Servico and Home Credit. At ito yung mga examples ng mga motorcycle na pwede nyong ma-win. For example, this is a Kawasaki Brusky 125. So, for only 3,232 per month for 36 months, pay as low as 7,500. So, this is 75,000 pala, no? So, eto siya, Honda. Hindi, Kawasaki yung pinakita ko. Ito, Honda na to eh. Alin dito yung Kawasaki? Sensya na, di ako marunong sa motor, no? This is Modenas. Wala akong kaalam-alam sa motor. Pasensya na. And this one is a Kymco Skyto 150. 5K ang per month for 36 months. 11K down payment. At 118,000. Grabe. Ito, ano bang motor to? Hindi ko alam. Comment down below kung anong motor to. Ito naman yung Suzuki Bergman STD 3.5. So, magkano siya? 83,000. So, ito yung motor na yan. At this one is Yamaha 3.6. Yamaha Mio Gravis. So, ayan. Yun ang mga example nila dito. At ito pa dito, marami pang mga samples ng mga motorbike, yung mga taga-Home Credit. Ayan. So, Kymco Dink R150. 6K per month for 36, 16,000 down payment. 160,000. Ito ba yun? Kymco. Parang Yamaha to eh. Ba't ganun yung mga label nila mali-mali? Ayan. For example, ito, Yamaha Mio. It's 3,400, 36 months per month, 7,900 down payment at 79,000 itong Yamaha Mio. So maraming mga I think they're going to shoot dito, no? Hindi na tayo makakapag-vlog nito at ito yung mga sample nila. Kawasaki, ayan, meron dito, ano pa ba? Hindi ako familiar sa mga motorcycle. But here, you can now own your motorcycle via Home Credit. Let's end our vlog here. At shoot pa tayo sa baba. So, ayun. Okay, no, panoorin yung video, no, yung mga talkies kanina from Home Credit, tsaka K-Servico, tsaka sa mga motorcycle brands. Mga welcome intro lang siya. At yung nalaman nga natin, valid ID lang. Pwede na in 1 minute, approved by Home Credit. Within 30 minutes, makakapag-uwi ka na ng motor. Ganong katindi.
With Home Credit, and that is motorcycle financing. Thank you to everyone. To all the vloggers, to the influencers, media, motorcycle community, and our business partners, and all of you who are present here, thank you for coming. And of course, thank you Home Credit for the partnership. For those who may not be familiar with K-Servico, K-Servico is a retail store with network across Luzon, offering motorcycle, tri-wheelers, e-bike, appliances, gadgets, furniture, and parts and service. We have been in the company, or we have been in the industry for 54 long years. We started as an institutional arm of Kawasaki way back 1971. Then eventually offered National Appliances. Those who know National Appliances, which is now the Panasonic. And in year 2000, we opened our doors to other brands and product lines. Thus, we are now offering multi-products and multi-brand. We have to be exact, we have 178 stores across Luzon. You can find us in as far as Apari in the north area, down to Irusin in Bicol. We also have an online store through our website, kservico.com.ph. Other stores have dedicated service center for motorcycle to provide the best after sales to all our customers. So you can be assured of after sales servicing for your motorcycle purchase from K-Servico. And we are very excited with this partnership. We have about 4 years partnership already with Home Credit for other product lines. Way back 2021, we have sealed our partnership with Home Credit, offering appliances, furniture, and gadget financing. And I must say, we have a successful partnership. Home Credit is our #1 financing partner. As with our tagline, K-Servico, kaibigan mo sa pag-asenso, we are very grateful to Home Credit for the trust in K-Servico in making financing more accessible to our customers. Truly, this partnership with Home Credit is a game changer for the Filipino community. Owning a motorcycle in just 1 minute with minimal requirements. O saan pa kayo sa Home Credit na talaga? This will definitely help our fellow Filipinos who want to own a motorcycle with affordable installment price in just 1 minute. We look forward to another successful partnership with Home Credit. Once again, welcome and thank you for coming.
Much for being here today and joining us for this event. And I'd like to also express my gratitude towards our wonderful partners, K-Servico, for allowing us to host this event here. I would like to really, if you look back in 2013, we started our operations in the Philippines with one vision. We wanted to really bridge the financial literacy or the financial inclusion gap that we believed existed in the Philippines. And I think over those last 11 to 12 years, we do believe we've revolutionized the way Filipinos are able to now very easily buy various things for their household, be it phones, various kind of gadgets, furniture, home appliances, and truly enhance their lives in a very, very easy way. With the same vision in mind, today we're very, very happy to announce a nationwide launch for motorcycle financing with our partners, K-Servico, today. So really, now for our mutual customers across Luzon and NCR, there is no more need to wait for days or hours to really take your motorcycle home, because we're bringing our 1-minute approval guarantee over to motorcycle financing. Thank you very much. Accessibility to a lot of people who are overwhelmed by the entire process.
1 minute. Sino may nakaisip ito, no? 1 minute. Sobrang bilis nun. So, very accessible na po yung pag-acquire ng motorcycle. Thank you very much. Baka kayo po, may gusto kayo sabihin, ma'am?
We at K-Servico, with the partnership of Home Credit, as you all know, we have 178 stores across Luzon. So, partnering with Home Credit will definitely, we can serve more customers, especially in the far-flung areas, in just 1 minute. They can own a motorcycle.
Ayan. Ano pong IDs yung valid? Kasi di ba minsan, nagkakagulo tayo dyan, di ba? Hindi ko sa kumpanya namin to. Ano yung what covers the valid ID?
government IDs, basically. So any kind of government IDs could be PhilSys ID, voters ID, national ID, driver's license. I mean, we obviously expect that people who are buying a motorcycle might have a driver's license. So
Yes.
that's all you need, really, at the end.
Driver's license.
Yes.
Dapat alam ko yung sagot na yun eh. Tinanong ko pa eh. For to our friends in
Alright, so I'll be ending now my vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much, Home Credit, for the invite. Deal tayo. Gusto ko ng gaming laptop. Pa-home credit natin yan. Okay, let's tayo dito.